Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? With the consent of the opposite side, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9.
Item number
9, Your Lordship.
Yes. What do you want?
I make adjournment, Your Lordship.
Your name?
Yes, I can.
Any objection?
No, my lord. Only thing is that Mr. I. Chaudhary is appearing for ONGC also in this matter. He has asked me for a date, my lord.
Spread from Mr. S.I. Akan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, which is not objected by Mr. S. Chakraborty and Mr. I. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel for ONGC. Are you led by Mr. Chaudhary? Okay. Relist on such and such date.
18th February.
27 February.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, next. You
I'm up.
take a date from the court master. Do not waste the judicial time on this. Yes, next.
For admission, item number 1.
On behalf of respondent 6, in this case, I'm led by D. Chaudhary, my lord. I pray for 2 weeks.
Led by Miss
D. Chaudhary.
Mr. D.
D. Chaudhary.
As prayed for by Mr.
DJ Mehdi.
DJ Mehdi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent. That
6.
he's led by Mr. D. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, who has some personal difficulty today in the matter, and accordingly seeks 2 weeks' time for filing. What is your prayer?
Lordship, I pray for Lordship filing affidavit, my lord.
Then why are you saying you're led by so and so and all that?
Lordship,
You want time to file your return? Simply say that I want some time to file the return.
I'm not.
Why are you unnecessarily making complications? As prayed for by Mr. So and so on behalf of so and so, released on such and such date to enable the state to private respondent complete return in the matter.
Lordship, one more prayer, my lord. A rejoinder has been filed by the petitioner that copy may be served.
Give it. You don't need an order for that from the court. You ask your friend, he will give it to you. Give it.
2.
Yes.
Petitioner was terminated from his service, Lordship, as Anganwadi worker, Lordship. He replied the focus
You have
notice,
filed
Lordship.
your affidavit.
Lordship, actually, I have received it very recently, Lordship, so I am praying for a 4 weeks time,
As
Lordship.
prayed for by MSM Bhattacharjee, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, released on such and such date to complete the return in the matter.
Lordship. 2023 matters.
Let her file. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, the matter pertains to expunge of adverse remarks as well as
Affidavits not yet filed.
Took some time for me.
Why these 23 matters affidavits are taking so long?
they got enough opportunity.
2 weeks time.
2 weeks, but you ensure the return is completed. It is only for that remark,
Yes, ma'am.
expansion of the remark. That is
Yes,
what your
yes.
prayer is, isn't it?
And as well as the promotion also.
Yes. Last chance. Heard Mr. B.M. Dekha, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. Mr.
PK Munir.
P.K. Munir, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number
2, 3, and 6.
2, 3, and 6, and Mr.
A Banerjee.
A. Banerjee, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 1. Mr. Munir seeks further 2 weeks' time to complete return in the matter. It is observed that repeated time has been granted for filing return. However, the same is not yet complete. Be that as it may, as a last chance, released on such and such date to enable the respondents complete return in the matter.
Noted.
23rd February. 21st.
Much obliged.
4 and 5.
Affidavits file? I don't think so. Yes, return, file, not file. Huh?
Please, your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I appear on behalf of the respondent number 11. Your Lordship.
yes,
We have recently filed a wakalatnama in this matter.
yes.
Lordship is seeking some time to file an affidavit.
Mr. Dasgupta. Heard Mr. Mr. Dasgupta, learned counsel, learned senior counsel appearing by, assisted by Mr.
Yeah.
A.R. Sikdar, learned counsel appearing for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 11. Where are the other respondent counsels? M. Bhattacharjee for respondent number 3. Then MS P. Upadhyay 24. Yes. Your name? Huh? RC. Alam, learned counsel appearing for respondent number? Give your respondent. None appears for the remaining respondents on call. Mr. So and so seeks submits that recently he has filed wakalatnama in the matter and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to file return in the matter. Prayer is not opposed, released on such and such date. In the meantime, the remaining respondents shall also file their respective return if not yet filed. So if they want to file, let them file. It is made clear that since the matter pertains to the year 2023, no further time to the respondents for filing return shall be entertained. I am making it clear because you see, piecemeal manner they are making prayers. Today only R11 is praying for filing, but I don't find the returns filed by except R4. R4 has only filed. Some are not even appearing. So if they don't want to appear, very well, we will proceed on the next day.
My Lord, if it can be on 26th or some other day.
Bye bye.
My Lord, the engaged counsel, I am.
All right, all right. When do you want it?
My Lord, 26th or 27th.
All right, give it.
Deeply observed.
Item number 6.
Yes, Mr. Fukan.
This matter, we are yet to file an affidavit. What
How
about
much
the-
time?
My lord, 3 weeks.
As prayed for by Mr. Fukan, learned counsel appearing for the
GAD man,
standing counsel.
standing on.
SCJD, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent so and so. GAD, file return in the matter.
Lordship, may kindly fix a date, Lordship.
I've already given. In this court, you get a fixed date. Just be a little patient.
I'm like,
For some reason, if the court master forgets to give you a date, you tell me. Yes, next.
7 and 8.
My presentation.
Returns.
That has not been filed.
That's right. Yes, Mr. Bora. Barwa.
Now perhaps Industries and Commerce Department has come.
I don't know about all that.
The record.
Right now, I
brief
I
is
see
actually
there is
missing.
no records, huh?
The brief is missing with us, so.
Brief is
perhaps
also missing.
Because we have to reconstruct it earlier, Mr. Honorable.
Are you going to appear in
Kalita
this
was,
matter?
thank
You're
you.
appearing.
Yes, I have to appear.
All right.
Have
Heard
to
Mr.
get a quotation.
A. Chakrabarti, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Baruana.
Deepora.
D. Bora, learned counsel. Are you appearing as the standing counsel in
No,
the
Your Lordship, state.
learned government counsel? Mr. Bora submits that since earlier the matter was,
There was standing counsel. On the-
since earlier standing counsel of the department had represented the matter. However, in view of the recent
Elevation.
he submits that due to certain exigencies, the brief has been misplaced and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to reconstruct the same. Prayer is not opposed, released on such and such date. In the event that the petitioner, learned counsel for so and so, shall cooperate with the respondent in order to facilitate the reconstruction of the brief.
With item number 8, there is an interim order.
Interim, if any, shall continue till the next date of listing.
Oblige, Lordship.
27.
Oblige.
Item 10.
Affidavit, Ms. Sharma,
May I please, Lordship?
you have filed?
Lordship, my senior is taking in another court.
Yes, Ms. Sharma?
This is a challenging a transfer order of 19/9/24, no stay. But he is asking for sign. I have filed my affidavit.
It's a transfer matter. 24.
Challenging an order of transfer, yes. Last,
Yes. Where is the senior? Who's the senior?
My senior is I, Rafiq, madam.
What's the stand? Have they pleaded malified?
but
Nothing
for
pleaded.
some administrative reason, he had spread some groupism and undesirable activities in the battalion. That is why he, along with some other person, always transferred to another.
Okay, you ask him to be here after that matter. I'm going to take it up. I'll dispose this matter. They filed their affidavit. I don't see why this matter should be kept pending. It's a transfer matter. Ms. Sharma, you be here.
Item 11.
You inform Mr. Rafiq, huh? None appears on call. List after 2 weeks and get to fix by the registry.
Item 12.
Thank you, Sir Lordship. I kindly seek pass over for a day. Lordship, my senior is unable today, unable to appear.
Pass over for the day or
Yeah.
time being?
For pass over for a day.
For the day.
Yeah.
We have filed our return.
Okay.
Can it be
MS,
fixed this week?
have patience. Why are you in a hurry? Huh? You just do not want to listen to the court anymore. You
Apology-
prepare and come. And what preparation you need to submit for adjournments and all, huh?
Apology, Lordship.
No, you don't have to apologize, but I'm just trying to tell you, just be calm and listen to the court. Your name?
Kiran Jamir.
Jamir. Heard MS Jamir, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Bordeloy, Learned Standing Counsel, Corporation Department. Stop. Ms. Jamir seeks how much time?
Just 1 week.
Seeks accommodation for the day on account of her on account of the lead conducting counsel, Mr.
Dr. P.N. Gopal.
So and so, huh? It appears that returns on behalf of respondent number 3 has already been filed. Relist on such and such date. In the meantime, petitioner, if so advised, shall file rejoinder. So if you want to file your rejoinder, you file. Huh? I'm posting it after 2 weeks, did you?
Thank you, Dr. Gupta.
Yes, next.
For hearing item number 13.
Yes, Mr. Nath.
Minor matter workman lordship is other day heard this matter.
I don't find that the other side again missing
Yes,
today.
no, there's some information.
Huh?
He took, just now he called.
Some difficulty?
Yesterday, I have received a message. She informed me that she is not going to appear in the case. And she could not contact client for the last 7-8 days. Now also I called her, my lord. So she is saying that you proceed, I am not going to appear in the case.
No, but who is the respondent?
A Kolita.
No, who is the respondent? Respondent.
Respondent number
The
4.
workman, respondent 4.
R4.
Yes.
Workman.
But she can't just simply not appear
That's
because
not, yes.
someone is not taking the call. She has signed the wakalatnama.
That's
What
right.
kind of
That's what I was thinking.
Last
This is
night I
not-
have.
this
There's
is
a
a noble
procedure.
profession. You
There's a
just
procedure for the
stop
grant.
appearing.
Yes,
Just because your client is not picking up your call. Kali ase niki single bench mo? When is my next single bench?
Yep.
I'm going to fix this matter. You ask Miss Kalita, I'll put it in the order. She has to be before this court. She's not been exonerated. She signed the wakalatnama.
Yes, my lord.
Some responsibility the lawyers have to show. You have some problems, genuine problems. The court will accommodate, isn't it, Mr. Nath?
Yes, my lord.
No,
There's a procedure also for
Eh?
procedure.
For that purpose, she could have requested me, but she is telling me
That she will not come and she's not even here today. I'm
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
record that. It's a part-heard matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. M. Nath, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. None appears for the respondent number. Only 4 on call. State anyone there? Mr. D. Barwa was there. Just give his appearance. Huh?
My lord.
You inform, huh?
I informed.
For state. Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Mr. D.P. Bora informs the court that M.S.A. Kalita had informed him over telephone yesterday that since she is unable to contact the respondent, she shall not be appearing in the matter.
He sent her me what?
It further appears that a text message indicating the same has also been received by Mr. Bora in the matter. That apart, when the matter is called today, MS so-and-so is not present in the court. It shooks the conscience of this court as how a counsel shall not appear in a matter, that too, when the matter is being part heard before this bench, merely on the ground that the client has not, that she is unable to contact her client. Be it as it may, relist on such and such date, Mr. Bora Mr. Bora, no, don't say Mr. Bora, registry to communicate the order of this court to M.S.A. Kalita, intimating the next date of listing. This to list date. Give a date next week. Monday, Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
10th of February.
On 10th of February.
In the meantime, I've prepared the list of dates, the written argument. I have given that copy, my lord.
Look like I will release it from part heard.
No, let's keep it, my lord.
If she is not appearing, huh? You take it, Mr. Bora. You
Yes.
keep it with you.
Yes.
I
Next
don't
day.
want it to be misplaced.
Next day, yes.
Item 14, I'm
No, is it on Monday that can be taken?
Monday?
Yes.
Okay. Monday.
My lords, it's a hearing matter. It requires some time. Today, my lord, I'm actually,
No problem, Mr.
my
Gogol.
lord, we'll have a fixed date, my
Yes.
17th February.
As per the joint request of Mr. D. Gogoi and Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Leonard so-and-so, Didiba, relist on, yes.
17th, my lord. 17th February.
All right.
Item 16.
Thank you, Lordship. This is a part-heard matter, and this is the sixth opportunity granted to the respondent to produce records, Lordship.
My lord, in this
Part
matter,
heard
I have
from
received
other-
some instruction. It's an instruction, my lord. I think I need to bring this on record. My lord.
What kind of instruction have you received?
My lord, this is about the mode of how she was appointed and
Just 1 second. But- No, wait. Yes. Yes, Mr. Dar.
My lord,
Come on, Anu.
this is the instruction as to, with regard, my lord, as to how she was appointed and what went thereafter, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, we have filed a affidavit. with.
What was the issue? I have forgotten.
A matter relates to re-engagement of the petitioner in the DC office, Lordship, as a ward charge employee in terms of an OM, Lordship. There is an office memorandum dated 30/10/2001. This is the third round of litigation, Lordship. There is an order, Lordship, in the
So,
first round.
I think on November 6th of November, this court had directed production of records, right?
Lordship, matter was part heard and my part was concluded. in
No, but I
August
think
25.
records were called.
August 25.
And
26
then what happened to the records?
That
Not
record,
produced.
Huh?
that record hasn't come, my lord, as of now.
It has come or not?
No, my lord, we have written a letter though.
No, but then it's a part-heard matter. Then I'm releasing it. The records have to be produced.
My lord.
And what is this that you are giving today, Mr. Dhar? You anyway, what is this? This is submission of some report.
Yes. Submission, report, my lord, they have conducted some inquiry into it and they have, what they have found, my lord, that is they have written. My lord, the thing is that.
Okay, this you bring by way of an affidavit,
My
huh?
lord, my lord.
And also have
In
the
the meantime,
record.
I will try to
Yes,
get the record.
heard Mr.
GJ Sharma, Lord.
G.G. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Counsel appearing for
State, my lord.
Standing Counsel,
No, my lord,
Huh?
additional thing.
Additional Senior Counsel, Senior Government Advocate for the State Respondent. It appears, no, Mr. So-and-so's submits that up-to-date instruction in the matter has been received and accordingly seeks 1 week time to place the same on record. It further appears that after hearing this matter in part, this court had posted this matter for producing records, after which on 2 occasions the matter was adjourned. It appears that today, when the matter is called, the records are said to be not available with Mr. Dhar. Relist on such and such date to enable the state respondent file the additional to place the additional instruction received in the matter by way of an affidavit, and also let the records be made available available for the perusal of the court on the next date of listing. Matter shall not be treated as part heard.
My lord, can I get the instruction?
You will get back.
Obliged.
Time being item number 10.
Yes, transfer.
Yes, my lord.
Transfer from where to where?
No, it's between battalions,
Battalion,
Yes.
between that means unit.
unit. It's a railway RPF.
So what is the ground of your challenge?
My lord, only the ground is that, my lord, they have come to the conclusion that I'm involved in groupism and
Sorry.
groupism.
Huh?
Groupism.
Groupism.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
And this affection amongst 4 persons. And they come to the conclusion without hearing me. Without
Where is all that? You mean to say it's a punitive transfer?
Yes, my lord. Annexure 2, page 12.
No, there was no hearing. But this, Ms. Sharma,
Lordship, we have stated that there is some procedure how to ventilate his grievances, but he
no, that's all right. But you see, this is not a simple transfer. If it was a simple transfer, in fact, I kept it. I said I will take it up because the impression I got is that there is no mala fides or anything alleged, and it's a normal routine transfer. Correct? So, of course, he doesn't have a vested right for that. It's a transfer is indispensable. But this page 12, the annexure 2 document indicates it's not a very routine transfer, or it's not a transfer for exigencies of service. In fact, it appears that in order to teach him a lesson, the transfer has been done.
we have given him opportunity. Yes.
Now, before you have taken that, have you given him a show cause notice?
Lordship,
You show it to me.
Yes, sir. So I have stated, Lordship, that we in my
Do you
affidavit-
have the records?
records, I don't have.
Then you
Because
have it. You get the records.
What is, I want to submit that, Lordship, there is no stay order and he had already joined.
That's
long
all
back there.
right. That is all right. But this challenge is before this court. He has not withdrawn his challenge. Has it become infractious? You have already
No.
joined.
Yeah, I have joined, my lord, but it may
You are
affect my service.
you are pressing the challenge.
Yes, please. Your lordship, kindly say annexure A of the affidavit.
Yes. Yes.
Page 25.
Yes.
This is the warning.
As per the
letter.
confidential report, it is learned from reliable source that you have been indulging in spreading this affection among the 4 personnel, casting as aspersions on the administrative decisions and instigating 4 personnel to indulge in indiscipline and insubordination. In view of the above, you are hereby warned to be more careful in future and not exhibit such inappropriate conduct. Strict disciplinary action will be taken against you in case of non-compliance. Immediately thereafter, the impugn order was passed.
What is the date of this?
It's date, my lord,
Where is the date?
27th
27 to 23.
23.
How do you know, how do you get this date? 20?
It's in the signature. 27, 23.
27, 23. And this impugned transfer
99,
order is
2024.
24.
99. Then you've already taken the disciplinary, you without even any disciplinary action, you have straight away transferred him. And in fact, see, I could have understood Ms. Sharma if you have not said all this in the transfer order. If you would have said in public interest in the exigencies of service, the transfer is done. I could have understood. That's not the case.
That's
Have you understood what I am
got it,
saying?
got it.
That's not the
This is
case. Because you
wrong.
see, neither you, I mean, nobody now can improve the records. This is the records. The order speaks for itself, right? The order mentions about the that groupism thing, which already at page 25, you have already given him the warning, and you have said that you be careful, and if you don't, we will take strict disciplinary action. But then immediately you have.
No, we have given him some other
So,
incident.
so you see, there could be a situation that from 27, 2023 to 19/9, 2020, okay, it's almost a 1 year period. Maybe something has happened. Has your affidavit said anything? Because I don't find any show cause, nothing. You have not said anything.
Stated that we have asked him to
Read your affidavit. Let's read your paragraphs. Just place me from paragraph, that paragraph 4, brief facts. Let's see what is your stand. Otherwise, prima facie, I'm of the view that the transfer is bad.
So regarding Lordship may kindly read page 15, paragraph E.
Yes.
So next paragraph, Lordship. While the petitioner was working in this present battalion, we had an outstanding mass recovery so-and-so. So this is was due from so-and-so, which was not depositing despite several reminders. In this connection, so-and-so had amount from the petitioner. Accordingly, on 23/5/24 at about so-and-so, he was asked the petitioner to attend the office as per the company commandant's office order. However, petitioner disobeyed the order, stating he will not go to the COI office and did not deposit the outstanding mass recovery. The COI commander filed a report in the daily diary on 23/5/24 for disobeying orders from the superior officer. Further, because so-and-so sent letter so-and-so regarding the outstanding mass recovery, that is 8,086. The said constable was reminded multiple times to deposit the outstanding amount, but he did not comply for reasons best known to him. Instead of complying, on 11/6/24, the petitioner raised a grievance against company commander so-and-so regarding casteism and discrimination through the RPF so-and-so. The grievance was forwarded to so-and-so, who instructed that as per Rule 110.1, the petitioner should submit his grievance in writing. Instructions were conveyed to the petitioner. However, as per COI commander so-and-so, dated 14/7/24, the petitioner has submitted a simple declaration without the required detail, violating so-and-so order. Following the undisciplined act of the petitioner and the risk of potential incident in the company commander so-and-so recommended appropriate action against him. Subsequently, so-and-so, who was looking after the charge of sent confidential report dated so-and-so to Railway Board. In his report, he detailed his visit to which was deployed at Jiribam and Silchar outpost. During his visit, a security conference was conducted, and it was observed that there was a noticeable lack of discipline within the company. Particularly concerning the conduct of the petitioner, he was found to be involved in factional activities and unnecessary conversation that were detrimental to the cohesion of the company. Constable Mina had a previous incident of assault while serving, that is in his previous battalion, which had resulted in his transfer to 1st Battalion on landing on administrative ground. More alarming, during the security conference, the petitioner made an open statement referencing extreme action similar to the tragic incident involving so-and-so, who had died by shooting himself on so-and-so. This statement was seen as highly instigating and damaging to the force discipline. In light of the above observation, so and so recommended the petitioner transfer for administrative reason, believing that a change in his environment could help prevent further issues within the company. The recommendation was intended to restore order and discipline within the unit, as strict discipline and good conduct is vital for smooth functioning in armed force. Consequently, so and so was transferred from 1st Battalion Lamding, Assam to 11 Battalion Gahara, Bihar on administrative ground, filed later dated 19/9/24. The petitioner was also advised to not to spread groupism and disaffection among force personnel. If he continues with his activities, he would be taken up strictly under extant disciplinary rules. He should treat this transfer as an opportunity to start afresh, break free from his past legacy, and improve his conduct.
Your affidavit is totally against you, Ms. Sharma. You are also, I'm sure you are understanding what I'm saying. Now, where are your rules? Some rules must be there. What is the rules? Disciplinary rules must be there.
Yes.
Where are those? Which rule? Which rule do you follow? Just tell me which rule I want to
This is
dispose
Railway
of this.
Protection Force
Huh?
rule. Railway Protection Force rule.
Just mark, because I want to dictate the order right now. I just want to see that particular rule, disciplinary actions. In case there is allegation, there must be something must be there.
There is no, against my affidavit lordship, there is no,
No
they will
need.
not file any reply.
You don't need. They will file return if only need is. They will not unnecessarily file return. This court is also not dependent on filing or.
This is not only regarding the transfer. There is
Correct.
no
I'm only on transfer. I'm only on transfer.
transfer
Your
because
transfer doesn't look very, it doesn't
this,
look routine transfer.
previously also he had involved on similar incident, that is why transferred.
You show me the rules. I want to see the rules.
RPS 153.
While she's taking that out, Mr. Rafiq, just see if there is anything about transfer, any rules for transfer that they are binded.
His predatory transfer is there, Miller.
Where are those? Just
153 is for imposing major punishment, but this
Inquiry, everything is there.
but this
Give me-
is
give
for
me- give me.
dismissal, etc. This is
Give me- give me.
not-
The process.
yeah.
Process of
He has to submit one under 110.1. He had failed to do so. We had given him opportunity.
which one?
110.1.
What is that?
He has to submit
Rule. Ms. Sharma?
yes, Lord.
Rule 100.
110.1.
110.1.
He had ventilated some grievance against other
Any
persons.
members of the force who deems himself wronged by any superior officer or other officer of the force may refer. That is all right. That he has to give
He
a
had
representation.
made some allegation against
That
the
I've
commander.
understood. You see, you are not trying to understand what the court is saying. I'm not on all this. Everything that you're saying is right. But there is a way, correct? Now you can't just simply transfer him to teach him a lesson.
That is the link based on reality, but not
Correct.
as a
But
punishment.
that is what will now you see, for all times to come, it is going to be accepted that this person, it is going to prejudice his service prospects, because without any inquiry, without giving him a reason to defend himself, he has been given a punitive transfer to teach him a lesson. How can it be done without show cause notice?
It will have no impact on his service career because previous.
Why it will not have? There is no promotional aspects.
This is only transfer.
No, but tomorrow, would he be entitled for some promotion or not? There must be some promotional avenues.
But this as
No,
per-
but this might come in his way because he has been given a punitive transfer.
No, Lordship,
What if at that time, DPC time, they take this against him? Because he has been, he never got a chance to defend himself. These are all proved and he has been transferred.
I agree.
110 is only for him to substantiate. If he has something against someone, he can give a representation. I have followed. But here, I could have understood if you have just transferred him.
Well, against
No,
5% we
transfer-
have allegations and all them or just only to divide them because 5 persons are involved.
And
with
where
them.
are the other 4
On the
people?
other battalions, always sent to separate battalions.
Always sent.
Yes, always sent to separate battalions so that they should not spread their groupism, etc.
Yes, which is the paragraph for disciplinary procedure for impose? This is major.
Major punishment.
Authority to institute proceeding, discipline. Minor punishment, petty explanation, any other. The disciplinary respect of any enrolled member of the force for the purpose of imposing any particular punishment or the passing of any disciplinary order shall be the authority so and so. In the case of so and so shall be determined with reference to the officiating post held by him at any time of taking action. The appointing authority institute against so and so and these rules to impose any minor punishment may say so and so for the so and so procedure. Action of so and so withholding automatic permission. Yes, what do you want to say, Mr. Rafiq?
No. My grievance is very limited, Melody, without giving any opportunity. to
Look
Melody.
at if suppose you all are involved in groupism and all, they are the authority. They have taken a decision to separate you, keep you in different posting, transfer. So they have that right.
Transfer, they have right.
Correct. So they've transferred. They have not imposed fine.
But the
They have
language,
they've not imposed any penalty.
no penalty, Melody, but the observation, what they have.
What have they observed? Groupism.
Groupism, etc.
Yes. They found that you are, because of you 4 people being together in one particular unit, they are having certain administrative difficulties.
Yes, yes.
They have separated you all.
For that matter,
Then,
they ought to have service. of the-
today, are you saying that your service is indispensable? It cannot be transferred?
No, I'm not saying.
It's an exigency
admi-
of service.
Yes, Melody, on administrative grounds,
Correct.
they can.
But they have done it for administrative grounds. Because keeping you 4 together is causing inconvenience in the administration.
But,
Then,
but the language shows, Melody, it's a punitive transfer, punishment transfer.
but no penalty is given. Any penalty given?
No, Melody.
Then
Those warnings,
then-
etc. will
that's a penalty.
may affect my career, Melody.
No, that's only a warning.
Just warning.
No
of-
penalty given, no disciplinary proceedings drawn.
At least before giving any warning, Melody, focus notice of.
No, warning could be anything.
I could have been hard, Melody.
I understand that they ought to have been. This is what organization arms
RPF.
RPF.
Railway Protection Force.
No, the language could have been better, but without going to the tone and tenor of the transfer order, it appears there is only a mere transfer.
Yes.
Nothing, you are not a prejudiced, you're not affected. They're only putting you in another unit, you are getting the same pay, everything is same, everything is intact, there is no reduction of rank, reduction of pay,
Nothing like that, nothing.
there is no fine,
No.
then where is the question of giving any show cause? Nothing has changed.
It's premature transfer, Melody.
Huh?
Premature transfer, Melody.
It's not.
I did not have any grievances, Melody. All those things were not there, all those complaints were there.
You are carrying anything to show punitive transfers? Huh? So many times where you see Mr. Rafiq, hey, Dr. N.K. Singh or case to Pavan case was Dr. N.K. Singh, 96 SSC. Sometime because some high stake matters and complaints are being given. During the pendency of those complaints, the person is transferred. Can that person now say it's a punitive transfer? in high stake matters, he could be transferred because his presence in that department might might jeopardize the inquiry. To keep intact everything, one might take a call. These are administrative call. They have taken a call.
In fact, Lordship may kindly come to page 29. He was transferred previously also for the same reason.
Where?
That page
Where?
29 also already it's Hindi, Lordship, but it's,
Hindi.
yes, it is in Hindi.
Ah,
Yes,
page?
Lordship, page 29. So he was previously on this 4th battalion from one.
Why? But these are not translated.
It's not translated.
How did the registry accept them?
Hindi they accept official document.
Hindi documents को registry translate को बना लाया? Accept नहीं कोई ना?
Because it's only that the first one, serial number 1, that is the petitioner. He was transferred from 4th unit.
It has to be translated, no? I understand Hindi papers can be taken, but for the convenience, but I think we have a rule, the High Court rules, vernacular languages, and it needs to be translated.
This order was issued on 9 September 2020.
What does it say? This is Mr. Sharma enlighten us with
Lordship,
by
that
reading
is
it. If you
previously also he was
no,
transferred.
you read it that
Lordship.
document 29.
Yes. लामडिंग से निम्नलिखित बल सदस्य द्वारा गगन गुल में गुटबाजी और जातिवाद जानबूझकर माहौल खराब गुल इंचार्ज वाद विवाद एवं ये सब करने के लिए उनका विवरण किया है तो he was in his previous one on 1/8/2015 to 24/8/23
1/8
to 24/8/23 in
24/8/23 and this date is
9 September
9
September 2024.
intimated that he was previously also transferred
Got
for
it.
same reason.
Got it. Transfer from where to where?
Now he was transferred
No, in that page
4th
29
battalion
document.
to 1st battalion Lamding
4th battalion
to 1st battalion Lamding.
first.
And now from 1st to 11th battalion Bihar, Lamding to Bihar.
All right, you take down. Heard Mr. I. Rafiq, Learned Counsel. Yes.
Only one thing. This order was issued on 9th of September 2024 and the impugn order was issued 19/9/2024. I think it's a continuation of this order.
9/9/24 and the impugn order is
19/9/2024.
Yes, this is after just 9 days.
9 days.
So here they have stated that previously
All
he
these
was
things
in
they
care.
have done behind my back.
Oh, okay, understood.
Hmm.
I got it. So previously he was previously he was not transferred, right, Ms. Sharma? Transfer first time, but previously also he was involved in
Yes,
groupism
Yes.
Yes.
during this period, for which he had been given a warning.
No
No
warning.
warning. But for that time it was not because he had already spent 8 years or on that he had done that. I have stated in page.
Anyway, let me take down the facts. Heard Mr. I. Rafiq, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard MSB Sharma, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondent. Stop. Mr. NK Singh of case to Paisa. The petitioner is ventilating his grievance for being transferred by the impugned order dated 19/9/2024 passed by the respondent number 3. from 1st Battalion of Railway Protection Special Force Lamding to 11th Battalion of Railway Protection Special Force Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. On the ground of being done as a punitive measure without affording any opportunity of hearing to the petitioner. Stop. The brief facts of the case is that while the petitioner was serving as 1st Battalion Railway Protection Special Force Lamding, Karbi Anglong, Assam, pursuant to his being posted there by transfer order dated 22/8/2024, he was once again transferred out from 1st Battalion of Railway Protection Special Force Lamding by order dated 19/9/2024 to Eleventh Battalion of Railway Protection Special Force Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Stop. Mr. Irafik, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that a plain reading of the impugned transfer order demonstrate loud and clear that the said transfer order is punitive, and the same having been done without affording any opportunity, without drawing up disciplinary proceeding or issuing show cause notice to the petitioner, is totally illegal, arbitrary, and discriminatory. Per contra, MSB Sharma, Learned CGC, submits that due to administrative exigencies, the impugned transfer order has been issued to the petitioner, and hence the same ought not to be interfered. I have given my due considerations to the arguments advanced by the learned counsels appearing for the contending parties and have perused the materials available on record. Transfer being an incident of service, the order of transfer can be interfered only on limited grounds. It is well settled law that interference of transfer orders is justified only in cases of malafide or infraction of any professed norm, only in cases of arbitrariness, malafides or infraction of any professed norm. The impugned transfer order dated 19/9/2024 reads as under, quote unquote, page 12. Reading of the aforesaid impugned transfer order indicates that the transfer is being done purely on administrative ground. It is further evident that the petitioner was also advised it is further evident from the impugned transfer order that it was advised that the petitioner should be counseled not to spread groupism and disaffection among force personnel, and that if he continues with his activities, he would be taken up strictly under extant DNAR rules. In fact, it is mentioned in the transfer order that the petitioner should treat this transfer as an opportunity to start afresh, break free from his past legacy, and improve his conduct. This is where the problem is.
But it's only they say that if you continue in your future, then only this action. But till now,
Oh no. Why? Who is this Vijay Kumar? Who's given this order?
yes, Lordship, it should have been only that administrative round. which
Yes,
has
what
been
is
done.
all this? Why has he gone so far?
Because previously also same incident. that is
Whatever, but we are not stopping you from taking action. In the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the respondents on 18/12/2024, the answering respondents have stated that 5 staff, including the petitioner, were found to have been involved in undesirable activities, were found to having been engaging in actions that spread disaffection among the force personnel, casting aspirations on administrative decisions and attempting to instigate indiscipline and insubordination among other members of the force. It is further stated in the affidavit that the aforesaid staffs were divided in 2 groups and they were ganging up in company by making false allegation against other staffs, for which the COI commander was facing hardship to smooth functioning of administrative work related to office, mess duty, etc. So in this, those two groups, Meena group and Gurjar group, there the petitioner is not there, na? No, na?
He is in Meena group.
Binod Kumar Meena,
Huh?
He is in the Meena group.
He is there in the Meena group.
Yes, yes.
Vinod Kumar Meena
Meena
is the petitioner.
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 It appears that the petitioner, Vinod Kumar Meena, is a part of the Meena group. It also appears that so that means the petitioner was also given some punishment earlier. Your paragraph D says, consequently, they were awarded with punishment for such behaving.
That is in the first instance, that a case is pending.
No.
So it appears that accordingly, they were awarded with punishment for such behaving an indisciplined act, fighting and quarreling, etc. And the Chief Secretary Commissioner, CSF, RPSF, Railway Board, by letter dated 27/23, had also issued confidential counseling warning to them. It is the specific stand of the respondent in the said affidavit that despite the same, the aforesaid staffs, including the petitioner, has neither changed their attitude nor improved their conduct. In fact, it is mentioned in the said return that the petitioner accordingly was transferred from 4th Battalion to 1st Battalion on 22/8/2023. It appears that during the petitioner's posting in the 4th Battalion, he had again allegedly not followed the orders of his superior officer and not deposited outstanding mess, recovery, etc. Relevant paragraphs of the affidavit in opposition in this regard read as under, quote unquote, paragraph F, G, H, I, J, K, L. It appears that due to the above alleged indiscipline and conduct of the petitioner, he was thereafter transferred from 1st Battalion RPSF some sequence is missing here, no? From 4th Battalion, he must have come to 1st Battalion again.
First, then now from 1st to 11th.
Okay. So when did he come from 4th to 1st?
Or this 24/8/20.
Thereafter on
24/8/23.
24/8
2023.
23.
2023, he was transferred
to 1st Battalion.
to 1st Battalion. Wherein also it is alleged that he has acted in an indisciplined manner. Ultimately, he was transferred from 1st Battalion to 11 so-and-so on administrative ground, with the advice to not to spread groupism and disaffection among force personnel.
The first transfer, my lord, on 22/8/23 is a normal transfer, my lord.
2020,
22/8/2023,
22,
8/2023, Annexure B,
That
page
means he joined
26
page,
of their
page,
affidavit,
page,
of their affidavit.
page,
26.
page
26.
26. This is the first transfer.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
It's a normal transfer. Ma'am.
then
the impune transfer, ma'am.
that is when
19/9/2020.
page 12.
Yes, my lord. Of my writ petition.
So there are only two transfers.
Two transfer.
No, because now he's been sent from 4th Battalion,
No, now-
1st Battalion to 11
11.
Battalion. And earlier he was in 4th Battalion
Fourth.
where there were some problems. From 4th Battalion, then he went to 1st Battalion. Then only from 1st to 11. So there has to be 3. It appears that under the service conditions, a member of the force is required to follow a code of behavior, including obeying orders. In the instant case, it is clearly mentioned in the affidavit that the petitioner has been found not obeying the orders of his superiors. It appears that under the garb of a transfer order, the petitioner has been under the garb of a transfer order, a disciplinary action has been taken against the petitioner. On the face of it, the transfer order appears to be punitive. That being so, the petitioner ought to have been heard before the before issuance of before issuing the impugn transfer order. So many things are said in the affidavit. Not just, I could have.
It's not to be stated about the previous incident.
Correct. So much things are being said.
In fact, we are also sometimes what we make a short affidavit, but they added. So we are.
So many things are said in the affidavit. The transfer by going by the tone and tenor of the impugn transfer order and the averments made in the affidavit, the transfer order does not appear to be a normal administrative transfer. On the contrary, it appears to have been done in order to punish the petitioner. The respondent, having not followed the relevant rules in this regard for taking action against the petitioner against the allegations of indiscipline, etc. This court finds the transfer order unsustainable in law. Accordingly, the order dated so and so stands interfered with. I may edit, huh? There will be some editing required, but otherwise the petition is allowed. Now, what will happen?
He is there from that date of order.
So what will
Lordship,
happen?
Instead of that, there may be not any effect on his service regarding because of this or transfer order. Otherwise, he had
So how since when he is there?
in 19/9/2024 this order, but there is no stay. This
When
petition.
did you join?
The exact joining date, I forgot.
It appears that it appears that since it is submitted at the bar that the petitioner has joined in the place of posting as per I-11 battalion in terms of the impugned transfer order, as there was no stay order granted by this court while entertaining the instant writ petition. It is apparent that the petitioner has been working in 11 so and so since almost
For 1.5 years.
for almost 1.5 years. Keeping in mind that the petitioner is been working there for so many years, while interfering with the transfer order. No, but then if I
If it is quash Millard, then automatically I will get the benefit Millard.
what benefit you will
I
get?
will come back Millard.
Correct. He has to come back.
Yes, Millard.
Why should I say into all this? Because if I'm interfering, how can I now interfere and not let him come?
Yes, Millard.
That will not be. Anyway, এইটো পইচা পাৰ্টটো তুমি থৈ দিবা, এইটো তাত নিদিবা, মই ভাবি চাম কি কৰিব পাৰো. See, consequence to will be that if the transfer is bad, in any case, he has learned his lesson. If that was the whole purpose of sending him to another.
Departmental difficulties will be there because someone had already.
So you have to change him. Now the judicial order has come.
But 1.5 months without a stay, they have not even. Thereafter also there is no prayer for even.
No, we don't
1.5
know. If we
days
find
nothing.
the order is bad, it's bad. I've interfered. Isn't it? This is why it's a transfer matter ultimately. We found the transfer being bad. He has to go back. If he goes back, the other person will go back from wherever he has come. Or you have to make alternative arrangements. Anyway, you think about it. I will, as regards the consequence of what is to be done, I will leave that part blank. Tomorrow, you both can come to my chamber at 10:30 in the morning or at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and tell me. Both of you together.
Yes.
If there can be an alternative solution, because the order otherwise will not stand. However, I may add a liberty. So just think over it, assess the court for that part. Because I don't have a single bench tomorrow, so you will not be able to be here during mentioning. So, you can come during the break time.